As data becomes the modern currency, so the ability to quickly and accurately analyze that data has become of paramount importance. One of the most flexible and increasingly powerful tools at our disposal is Excel. Since the late 90s, Microsoft has been adding analytics functionality, and Excel now offers some fairly potent tools for doing data analysis. These include more effective tools for cleaning and transforming text data, functions for performing those tricky date calculations, and tables, which enforce greater data integrity and help automate the effect of changes to the data.
In this course, we will delve into these new tools, as well as covering the long-standing data preparation, aggregation, logical, and lookup functions. Over 5 weeks, we're going to walk you through a practical case study seen through the eyes of Zara from the accounts department of her firm. She is responsible for the monthly reconciliation, but the data she receives from their supplier is problematic and not compatible with her own system data. We will help Zara develop a solution that not only addresses all the issues with the data and largely automates the reconciliation, but also offers a solution that is fully reusable in the future.
These are the topics we will cover. In week 1, we will focus on text functions for cleaning and manipulating text data. Week 2, we're going to look at date functions for working more effectively with dates. Week 3, we're going to explore named ranges, a way of simplifying calculations and helping automate processes. Week 4, the focus is tables for more effective and automated data management. And week 5, we look at logical lookup functions for categorizing, linking, and decision-making.
Regardless of what sector you are in, this course will give you a solid grounding in the fundamental Excel analysis tools to equip and empower you to get on top of your data and accelerate your data analytics. Our previous Coursera specialization, Excel Skills for Business, has been rated highly at 4.8 stars out of 5 and impacted over 100,000 learners like you. In this specialization, we focus on Excel skills for data analytics and visualization. Join us on this exciting journey.